handful, and it's so much fun, and it just loves taking abuse.
My name is John Kraus, and I'm at LS Fest X. This is the first time I have been able to make it. I've been living in Japan off and on for the last 10 years. This is a 1964 Chevy Chevelle sitting on top of a custom C5 ZO6 perimeter chassis, drivetrain, transaxle. All the good stuff you get from a C5 ZO6 is inside this thing, including ABS. Even swap that over. From the fenders, we had to pull and pie cut those basically 2.5 inches to fit the 315 series BFG rivals, which are great for autocross. And then we also, because we're running independent rear suspension in the car, the transaxle, we actually had to modify the rear quarters to actually get the tires to mount on without having to do a whole lot of interesting work if I ever get a flat, because this car gets driven and it gets abused. I've been a car guy since I was born. My father, he had 409 Chevys. Basically until I was born, he had a hot rod. And then once I came around, hot rods went away and I got to basically take on the mantle. I bought this car when I graduated college. I was originally starting or thinking about joining the 10.5-inch outlaw drag class. That was really big at the time around 2005, 2006. But then things like Good Guys, LS Fest, and all of these autocross-centric programs started popping up, and I was like, okay, they're building something for me, they're building something for my old car. I want to build something, let's see what we can do and rock the world. So I've been autocrossing through college, well, through high school, college, and I was into that. I already had a car, actually a Fortune Camaro at the time, running that, but then I was like, I love these big body cars. This thing is all steel. It's all GM steel. So my Grand Champion experience has been very humbling. Now, I run locally in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky region, so I get to experience autocross with people like Marshall Reinhardt and Danny Pop on a weekly basis. So they're running Cam S, they're running these type cars, these type Grand Champion cars weekly. And I get to measure up against them constantly, and that is a very humbling experience.